Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating a mint eyeshadow look. But first I want to read from the Book of Shadow, what the meaning of mint is. Page 22. Mint. Angels and spirits are taught to love the smell of mint. So to encourage them into your life, grow mint in the garden and cut a few bunches every now and then to bring into the house. I love the smell of mint and I love to drink mint tea. So let's get started with the look, using my witch palette. Starting off with a fluffy brush, I am dipping into Supernatural. Tap that off and start blending. This color is similar to my skin color, but I like how it melts into my skin and create that natural soft look. I'm picking up a little more. My crease area is done. Mint is actually a green color, but I want that fresh look. So I'm dipping into two shades. I'm mixing the sapphire blue with the Kelly green. This color is for my crease and lower lash line. I love the subtle look, so that is what I'm going for. Now I'm taking the shimmer Persian Blue. And blend that all over my lid. Now I'm dipping into Enchanted for my brow bone and inner corner. I'm just dusting everything off. The final color, black. I want a wing with this look. With wings, you need to take your time. final step is gel mascara. Or you can use a regular mascara, but I prefer the gel mascara. This is the final look. Very soft, clean and fresh. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!